people. So today is going to be another start to finish video. As you can see in the beginning of the video, I will be styling this 360 unit into a high ponytail style. Now this unit was sent to me from YSwigs.com. It's 24 inches long and it is 200% density, and this is a silky straight texture. Now this unit is super pretty, guys. I did try this 2 times attempting to achieve this style. Now the second time around I did get some help from my sister to fix the back up. So I will show you guys what the front and back looks like, so you have to wait to the end of the video to see the complete look. I think that this actually came out really nice. I'm trying to show you guys more styles with my units. I don't want to keep doing the same styles like side parts, middle parts, and stuff like that. So I'm trying to extend myself a little bit, so I hope you guys appreciate this video. Don't forget, guys, to thumbs this up, leave your comments down below, like and all. Getting it really slick in the front, what you're going to do is gather all the hair and bring all the hair towards the front. Now this part is crucial because you want to make sure that you get all the hair going forward. Now you're going to get a little bit of crinks and dips in the back. Like I said, I would get someone else to help you out with the back. Now this is a really good part right here, what I'm going to show you guys. So in order to get it real slick, I'm going to go in with some styling mousse from Cream of Nature. Now this styling mousse is going to help me really get this front to be really slick and smooth. Now you can use hairspray, but I feel like the styling mousse is a little bit better because it's going to kind of get all the hair to be nice and slick and all move in the same direction. So I highly recommend getting mousse to do this, just because you know you're going to get an achievable look with mousse. Earlier, the back was really hard for me to do, but I'm going to show you guys this part anyways. Now this 360 wig lays very nice because I did add an elastic band to it. So what I'm doing now is just taking a bobby pin to kind of close it up a little bit. There's like 2 parts that are lifting in the back, so I just took the bobby pin to close it up. Now what I am going to do afterwards is have my sister come in and she's going to hide some of the lace parts that you see in the back. All you have to do is take the baby hairs and tuck them in, and the hair will just be really hidden. You won't see that lace part. So right now you can see it, but eventually you will not see it. Just basically going to do some nice cleanup. We're just trying to get it real slick with the hot comb. I'm just trying to clean up any crinkles in the back. Like I said, it's not going to be a completely slick look because it's not coming from my real hair, not my real look. But girl, I still did this and I don't care. So basically what I'm doing is going to clean it up. Another thing that I showed you guys in my video yesterday, I'll tag the video up yesterday if you guys didn't see that video. Now what I'm going to do is show you guys how I break the cast on the baby hairs. So I'm going to break the cast on the baby hair, and then what I'm going to do is go in with just a little bit of hair grease, and I'm going to use the hair grease just to kind of smooth it out and take that little crusty Got2b glue look off. And I told you guys I like to do this sometimes so that it doesn't look all fake baby hairish and it kind of has like a little bit of a realistic look. I didn't want to go crazy with the baby hairs just because I wanted to look like it was like real, I guess, in a way, and I didn't want to go all crazy and like baby hair madness. So I did just real simple, real cute, real nice. Alright guys, so this is the finished look of this unit. So today I tried to do something just a little bit different. I'm always styling side parts, middle parts, and stuff like that. So I want to show you guys this video with a different style. I hope you guys like this. This was actually really hard to do. Now, I had to get my sister to come and help me fix the back just because I couldn't see it myself to hide the lace. Now with this one, I didn't glue the back down. All I did was just put some hairpins in the back to kind of conceal it and flatten it down. With the back, you're not always going to get like a really flat surface. I honestly feel like this is a two-person type of job because you really want to make sure the back is slick. So I definitely had to have my sister come in and help me a little bit with this just to make sure that it came out nice. But as far as the front, sides, and everything pulled up and styled, I did this all myself, and I feel like this video deserves a thumbs up. Like, it is extremely hard to style 360 units and up styles. I don't care what anybody says. It really takes like some time to get this done, and it did take me a little while to do this. I attempted this one yesterday, and I had to come back today and reattempt it again. And one thing I want to recommend to you guys, 100% to add your own elastic band on to the unit. Now, just to add it onto any 360 unit, just because if you want to do high top styles like buns, ponytails, and stuff like that, the elastic band is going to give you that extra security where it's going to really hold the wig in place. And once you go ahead and put it up in a ponytail, the wig is not going to move at all. As far as gluing this down, I just glued the ear tabs down just to kind of secure it. And I did that overnight, and I kind of came back today and tried to finish the unit off for you guys because I wanted it to stick. So it did stick pretty well, and as far as the front, I did not glue that down. So what I did with the baby hairs is I just put a little bit of got-to-be glue around the edges just to make the baby hair look nice, soft, and clean. I did go in with a little bit of hair grease. I broke the cast and just used the hair grease to kind of mold it together and make it look a little bit soft and nice. I don't know if you guys noticed, but got-to-be glue has that really hard, crusty look sometimes. So breaking the cast after applying it for like 10 minutes makes it look more natural. And just adding a little bit of hair grease on it after just kind of brings a more natural, soft look to it. I'm not gonna lie, I absolutely love this hairstyle. I don't really wear ponytail styles like this like in real life because my forehead is ginormous and I don't even got the hair for that. But just being able to do this with a unit is awesome. I absolutely think that this is really cute. It's definitely something different for me. I don't usually gravitate towards hairstyles like this, but I wanted to show you guys the potential of a 360 wig. This wig in particular is excellent. It was sent to me from YSwigs.com. Now this is 200% density. It's 24 inches long, and it's just gorgeous. So initially when I got this, I was like, am I gonna have to add extensions to this? I didn't. This is the wig. This is how much hair you get. Now I did go and add a little bit of deep wave into it because I wanted to have like a waterfall princess mermaid type of theme. So I definitely think that it gives the hair like a little bit of an edge. I did go in and wrap some hair around the hair tie so that it kind of gives it more like a like clean royal look. So I definitely like this. I will do a 360 so you guys can see the back. Like I said, the back, it's a two-person job. I'm being completely honest. I had to really have my sister come in and kind of help me mold it up so it can be nice and clean. So definitely, you know, if you're home alone or you got your friends over, have them help you in the back. That's just how it is. I'm being honest. Don't think you're about to go sit at your house and do this and you're gonna be doing it by yourself because it's not gonna work. I do videos, so I'm telling you straight up, it's not gonna work like that. If you do it on mannequin head, that actually might work. So you should try it on a mannequin head first. But I think that putting it on your head and doing it is much better because you could get the format the exact way you want. I can actually turn this one backwards this way, but I didn't like how it looked. I felt like that's like something that I always do. So me turning the ponytail this way made it just look more fun. Kind of remind me like Beyonce or Coming to America when that girl had that hairstyle like this. Oh no, it was kind of bad. Yeah, you know what I mean. But I just thought it was so cute, and I don't know, I really like this, and it's just something new, so I hope you guys appreciate it. Now, I'll leave all the information down below, including a coupon code. If you're interested in purchasing any of the units from YSwigs.com, do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family people. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.